Are Braum seats good? Honest review for car enthusiasts. Yes, Braum seats are generally considered a good option for their price point, offering high-quality bolstering, good support, and a comfortable, body-hugging fit, especially for spirited driving and racing. However, some users have noted potential issues with the quality of plastic parts, and the leather on some models may wear over time, though the cloth materials tend to hold up well. Braum seats are often recommended for those on a budget seeking a sporty upgrade over stock seats. Pros: excellent support and bolstering. The firm, high-density foam and aggressive side bolsters effectively hold the body in place during spirited driving and cornering. Good value. They offer a significant improvement over stock seats at a fraction of the cost of high-end brands like Recaro. Comfortable ergonomic shape. While not as plush as some factory seats, Braum seats are designed with an ergonomic shape that cradles the body for a comfortable driving position. Durability. Many users report minimal wear, even after daily driving and track use, though some leather components might be less durable. Aesthetic appeal. Braum seats have a visually stunning and aggressive design that significantly enhances the interior of a vehicle. Cons. Plastic components. Some users have found the plastic parts on the seats to feel cheap or flimsy. Potential for wear. While generally durable, some leather finishes may show wear and tear over time. Reaching the occupant sensor from the old seat may be necessary to avoid annoying chimes and requires some effort. Low ride height. The seats tend to sit very low, so users might need to purchase spacers to adjust the ride height. Key considerations. Intended use. They are best suited for performance driving and racing, though they also offer features like reclining and sliding for daily driving. Materials. Some models use synthetic leather with fake carbon fiber backs, while others offer more premium materials. Comparison. Braum seats are a budget-friendly alternative to more expensive brands, providing a comparable level of performance and support for the price.